fly one of those, buddy.
What's the show gonna say? Says all in the fun man.
One of the high fly rifle on the scope was working bad.